How to get CorelDRAW for free. So if you want to get the CorelDRAW for free, then first open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And then search for CorelDRAW support. Once you've searched, now you need to go for the first, which is CorelDRAW support again. And then scroll down, and here you will have create support ticket and submit a ticket option. Click on that, and it will take you to the next Windows tab. And here you need to enter the details. So you need to simply go with the product option, and under product you need to simply go with the option of graphics suite and go with the operating system, which is mine is Windows, and then go with the version, which is Windows 11, and then again go with version, which is 2023. I want the 2023 version, and go with issue type, which is business volume licensing support, and the serial number or the order number is optional. Go with the full name, enter your name and email address, and then under the subject you can write free trial for CorelDRAW, and then go with the description. And here you need to write that hello CorelDRAW team. Actually, I wanted to ask you for a free trial version of CorelDRAW. I wanted to buy the product, but before purchasing, I want to check the product properly. So this is my account details, and you need to enter the account details. And once you enter all of that information, you need to click on I agree to the process, and then go with submit, which is here on the bottom. And once you click on submit, your ticket will be sent to the CorelDRAW support team, and you will be able to get the CorelDRAW for free. And that's it. That's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.